Introducing Concrete Floor Wax by Direct Colors. Get that protective, high-gloss finish for your concrete floors in just a few easy steps. Ensure your surface is clean, dry, and free of any contaminants. Shake the concrete floor wax container well before use to ensure an even consistency. Using a wax applicator, spread a thin and even coat of concrete floor wax over the surface. Make sure to work in manageable sections to maintain a consistent finish. If you need to stop at any point, it's best to do so at transition spots like control joints or doorways. Stopping and starting mid-room can result in a dry line, which could be visible in the final finish. Apply to thin coats, allowing a 6-hour drying period between applications. Once the final coat is applied, allow it to dry for 6 hours before light walking. To ensure the finish's durability, hold off on heavy traffic and returning furniture for an extra 12 hours.